So I'm at the gym and I realized I forgot a bra. So what am I wearing? A swimsuit top. Forgot earrings. Sometimes I'm just like, how? Anyways, I hope everyone has a good day. Love ya. Bye. Hey, just getting all my shit out of my car. I got a bloody nose on the way to work, but nothing's gonna stop me. I'm just like I'm like loving the vibes today. So bring on the bloody noses, bring on whatever. I'm fine. Come at me, world. I have a standing desk and the infamous TikTok walking pad. So I try to walk like 8,000 to 10,000 steps a day. That's hard to do sometimes. This is a way, instead of me sitting on my butt treating all day, I'll walk and do my notes and charts. So that's really nice. It's really helpful. Just recorded our podcast. Our podcast.
Oh yeah, a podcast. Oh,
Tune in soon.
We hope you learn a little bit when you tune in,
Laughed a little bit,
and
laughed a lot.
Iced coffee.
Okay.
With whiskey. JK.
Our greenhouse.
Martini lunch.
They've got the Diet Coke. Yum.
Checks out.
Saturday. Ashley didn't buy a single pizza, but she had 2 non-alcoholic beers. I got ripped.
Shut.
No, I only had
She
one.
goes, can you grab another?
For those of you who don't know, I think everyone knows by now, I like to drink a lot of fluids. It's a problem. Give me a wave, you guys.
It's because of
Lifesavers. I got this really cute cake stand, some candle holders, and I think that's it. What'd you get, E?
2 shirts and a pair of jeans.
2 shirts and jeans. Jenna, sports bra, and
a t-shirt.
I feel like it's been kind of impossible to vlog this week. It's just been kind of chaotic in a good way. I'm gonna go to the gym fit, and then lemon seed. I'm hosting a little garden party in my backyard with just girls, and we're gonna dress all cute. We're gonna have yummy food, wine, just hang out. Stay tuned. I'm making an upside down orange cake, gluten-free, dairy-free, and then I'm gonna do like a really big salad. We're gonna do some yummy chicken, and then everyone's bringing kind of like a side, etc. So I'm excited for you guys to see. Okay, bye. Hey Dee, come on in. Ready.
Yay.
Okay, just for everyone, I thrifted all of these things. So thrifted the plates,
She's a genius.
these, thrifted these, the glasses I had, thrifted the candle holders and the vases, the tablecloth, obviously the flowers. Get it, Jen.
I got scared. Oh, those are good.
Okay, I think we're almost done.
Yeah, I think we just need like 3 minutes, but we need to get the grill marks on this side. Oh, those look good. Wow.
Don't drop that dun-dun-dun.
Hey.
Don't drop. I gotta go get my 2 brunette besties.
Here we go.
Wait,
We
that
did
was
it.
fabulous. Wait, do you see the bicep?
Yeah, I see it popping.
Damn, girl.
There's a rat.
It might be a mouse.
I think it's just a mouse. Where is it?
I felt it.
I saw it. Oh my
Let go!
Okay.
That's not gonna do
You guys!
The shovel? That dog killed a mouse.
Up by the tail.
Oh my god.
Can't walk.
Jenna.
Over the thing now!
Do you have any words?
Goodbye.
I want to die. I hate everything. Wash your hands. Literally go home.
Peanut, what do you have to say for yourself?
Did you turn off the gas?
No.
I'm also a roach killer. Like roaches, that shit doesn't phase.